Yo, hope I don't have anything on my lips because it's extra bright right now, but I low-key forgot to film an intro. So here it is. But yeah, this is gonna be trip to the thrift, numero number 70. I said numero number 70. Bruh. But yeah, this is gonna be trip to the thrift number 70. I hope you guys enjoy it. I found some throwing stuff at me again. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go thrift. Hey guys. We got this all leather fanny pack right here. Super big too. We got a Nautica duffel right here. Nothing too crazy though. We got this Denver Broncos starter. Nothing too crazy. We're taxing a little bit, 15. Probably gonna pass on it. We got this champion. Randy Moss football jersey. It's got a lot of stains on it. Asking for 8, but this is aight. Yo, I just found this bootleg Gucci denim jacket. So fire. For sure picking this up. Skull boy. They got this size small polo jeans, crew neck. Texan. Found 2 Northface jackets right here. This one's a newer one, black one. Probably not gonna pick this one up, but I'm for sure gonna pick up this one. Vintage Northface Denali, purple and black. Such a dope colorway. For sure scooping this. These are kind of fire right here. Vintage Tommy Hilfiger. Pinstripe pants with the paint on the bottom. I got this all leather snapback Hall of Fame. Found this vintage Mozart crew neck. It says right there 1993. Pretty cool little screen print. The fading is kind of tight, but this back, I don't know about that. We'll see. Just came across this one strap, like over the shoulder Tommy backpack. This is cool. We're sure gonna pick this up. Polo high tech. This piece is crazy. Look at this jacket. The colorway is fire. And then this Tommy Hilfiger, new age. It's got the Hilfiger bubble letters on the back. Pretty cool. Look at this bootleg Versace belt. The details are crazy. Medusa head, and then it's got the print all around the whole belt. Fake though. Just found this bootleg Guess jeans little jacket. It's a size medium. You see right there, it's got the G. It's got the Guess on the little drawstrings. Got Guess jeans on the zipper. Got some pockets on the sides. Might scoop this. They're asking for 10. The back is kind of fire. I got this vintage Champion satin jacket for $6. Thinking about copping just to like take that off. And then just put something of my own on it. We'll see. Vintage Adidas jacket right here. It's a little beat though. It's got like the stretchy, like overstretched arms and waist where it's not stretchy anymore. Probably gonna pass on this. Look at the brand of this jacket. Swag. We got this undefeated long sleeve. Play dirty. Ruthless, and then it's got it in the back. Play dirty, undefeated. These Air Force Ones right here are kind of clean. $15. The colorway is cool. We'll see. Watching some complex closets right now. But about to get on this sandwich real quick. That banh mi chicken, and then we're gonna head out again. Just popped into a Goodwill, and I just found this huge vintage white tag Adidas poncho. Crazy. It's got the buttons on the side too, and they're asking for $10, so for sure gonna scoop. We got these right here, Nike Dunks, 2005 baseball. I was getting real sad today, and then I just found this fire 1995 Betty Boop pink. Let's go, boy. Found this right here. Little Calvin Klein tee, but it's got some stains on it, so I'm gonna pass. I did find a vintage Marlboro tee. Fire, for sure gonna cop. Just found this vintage Tweety crew neck and this Pro Player Atlanta Falcons with the logo right there. Vintage Marlboro, little bottle thing. Good morning, guys. Your boy woke up this morning. I was like, I feel like going to the Goodwill bins. Feeling kind of lucky. So today's gonna be a Goodwill bin type day. I'm gonna dig. I'm gonna stop by Vaughn's to pick up some gloves and hand sanitizer. So yeah, pumping up gas right now, and then I'm gonna head out. Let's go. Wasn't feeling the way my beanie was looking, so switched it up. But we here at Vaughn's. Let's go. Got him. Oh man, wait. I don't think there's. Oh, these are not the reusable ones. These are like the. Oh, right here. Okay. Let's see how much. Damn, 10 bucks. Jesus. Gotta do it though. Gotta stay clean. All right, probably just blue or white. Let's go. It's blue. Hold up, just realized this one has 80 and it's the same price. This one has 100, so obviously. Yo, what's good, guys? My glasses might be a little dirty, but your boy just got here. They opened at 8, but I got here at like, time is it like 9? Know your boy's always staying hydrated. Man, I can't even. Oh my god, are you serious? Bruh! What the hell? Guess that's what happens when you buy 89-cent water. But yeah, I just got here. As you can see, I got the box of gloves right here. Mr. Clean with the shiny head. How do you open this right here? So I'm gonna open this up. Dang, I need to put a trash bag in my car. I'm just gonna grab like a good amount. Maybe like 4, just in case I need a switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I got my face mask right here, cause it could get a little dusty. But yeah, I'm only gonna take my card. I'm not gonna take my wallet, just so I don't have too many things in my pocket. But yeah, now I gotta text the boo-boo that I just got here. Peace! We out here. Come on. So far, this is what I found. Just a long sleeve Looney Tunes. Single stitch, coast to coast tee. Taz hooping? This is a size. Oh, XL. I got these super beat Jordan 9s. But I also came across this 1991 Bulls cut. Just found this bootleg though. It's fake. I was probably still gonna pick it up.
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah. Let's go, bro.
I watch your videos, Zach.
What up, man? How are you, bro?
Good.
Dang, I found this Nike Tech piece that has a whole bunch of holes in it. Jesus. Hey guys. We are about to eat at Kung Fu Fried Dumpling. Me and the boo-boo hungry. She craving soup, so let's go. Boo-boo's craving the tea. Just regular milk tea? Let's see if it's bomb. Dude, look. They forgot the I in cashiers. Bruh. Alright guys, so I'm at the boo-boo spot right now, and I just wanted to show y'all. Who texted me? I just want to show y'all everything I picked up so far. This is a Tommy Hilfiger one strap backpack. Fire. Finally came across a single stitch Betty Boop tee. You see right there, 1995. Vintage Marlboro Unlimited tee. Single stitch, it's got the back print. Fire. Denali Northface in the like purplish bluish colorway, in very good condition. This one's crazy, a huge poncho. It's a vintage Adidas white tag poncho. Vintage polo high tech. This looks like a Northface. The colorway is so sick. Yo. And then lastly, right here is the bootleg Gucci. A lot of people have been hitting me up. I do not know what to price this at yet. We'll figure it out. Yo. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this trip to the thrift. Hope you guys enjoyed number 70. I found some fire pieces. That Gucci though? But yeah, hopefully the next couple days bring some more heat for me. Please stay tuned with my channel and my Instagram because I will be dropping little hints of something that is coming soon. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. So that's gonna wrap up this trip to the thrift. Actually, one more thing. I still don't know what I want to do with the off-white ones, the fake ones that I had in my last video or 2 videos ago. But leave in the comments down below what kind of experiment you guys want to see me do. Like go to the mall, go to shoe stores, go to Melrose and Fairfax and see how hypebeasts react to them, or see if they can tell if they're real or fake, or anything. Just leave a comment down below what you think is like gonna be creative content or funny content for you guys to enjoy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest. Hey, in the game. Hey, man, to fashion. What is